Pump it up. Pump, pump, pump. Hey, everyone, if you want to go kayaking, this is the Portage 2 stop. It's the one with the red roof.
The map lies.
Just got to the Portage 2 train stop. This is where Andrew and Josh are gonna load up for the Spencer Glacier tour.
Hey, there's planes right there. See? There's planes. You can watch them take off.
There they go. Getting ready to load up on the train.
Heading out on our adventure to nowhere. Middle of nowhere anyway. Spencer Glacier, gonna go try to kayak and tent and make it back in one piece alive. So, fun adventures ahead.
Where are you going?
You can come.
I can't come. Did you drop Daddy off at the train station?
It's 40 for kids.
Oh, only for kids? All right, have fun. See you later.
So we're at our stop. Got all of our bags for a month, a day. And about to start hiking through the woods. Spencer Glacier Trailhead. Josh,
Yeah.
we've almost made it. Almost.
Dang.
Look, it's right there. That's some pretty cool stuff. Okay, so we're learning some stuff already. We've got our burner out right here, and Josh is eating his mashed potatoes and chicken.
Very good.
Yeah. And I'm over here cooking my chicken fried rice. It's sitting in the bag warming up. 8 to 9 minutes. So we'll see what it tastes like. Living pretty rough out here in the Alaska bush country. Although I did hike, probably 20 yards that way, and there are a whole bunch of moose prints. So hopefully we don't get trampled in the middle of the night or in the day, I guess, either way. So going to fill up some food and then hop out on the kayaks, go see if we can't touch a glacier or iceberg or ice cave or something. So out here kayaking around with steering south. Iceberg from Spencer Glacier. Pretty cool. Still out here. We are headed to the glacier now. Got some clouds rolling in. Josh is back here. We are in the middle of nowhere. We're almost to the Spencer Glacier. The wife said, don't go near it. This one right here is a tunnel, and every 5 minutes you can hear it cracking. It's dropped a couple pieces of ice. Oh, there's a few more little pieces, but a while ago it sounded like a shotgun went off. So we're waiting for this whole thing to collapse, and hopefully we get to see it. Yeah, this thing's going tonight. Probably within the next 10 minutes. These are all the previous. This is pretty freaking cool. And then the whole thing just went. And when it went, it hit the water with such force that it forced water everywhere. I got hit with a couple pieces of ice. I got a knot on my hand. I got hit in the ribs with a piece of ice. I'm completely soaked. Josh is soaked. And then when after the burst hit, we were able to see the iceberg again, and it went under, you know, from falling, and it created a good 8, 10, 12 foot wave. All right, so y'all just saw that. We survived, but that was insane. We are soaking wet. Yeah, we were soaking wet, and we were obviously way too close. We knew that going into this. Our wives told us not to get close, but that was probably the coolest thing that I've ever done in my life.
That wave we just rode.
Look at that thing. Look at that. Look at the big one moving. It's turning. Look at it. Unreal. Unfreaking real. Morning. It's breakfast time. We didn't have any moose or bear encounters last night, so that's a plus. We also didn't sleep last night, so that kind of sucked. I remember how joyous tent camping is and why I bought a real camper in the first place. But we've got some breakfast hash here. It's actually pretty good. Josh had, what'd you have? Biscuits and gravy. He said it was okay. And yeah, good times though. Staying right beside a glacier, you can hear the water running all night long.
So?
Do it again tomorrow. Except for maybe one section of it.
Did you literally think you were gonna die?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I was over. It was the same. I was done. Greg.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
So what first happened was we were in an airplane and we saw this glacier, and then Josh had a great idea. Let's go to that glacier.